zucchini bread,
zucchini noodles,
grilled zucchini,
zucchini parmesan.
If you're up to your eyeballs in zucchini, we've got a recipe to switch up your routine.
Today we're going to make a simple zucchini fritter. It's kind of like a latke, but with zucchini instead of potatoes. So first I'm just going to cut my zucchini into manageable sized pieces and then go ahead and grate it. After we grate it, I'm going to put it all into this bowl, salt it, and let it sit for a few minutes.
Why do you salt the zucchini?
That's going to help draw all the moisture out of the zucchini, and we want our shredded mixture to be as dry as possible. So you can definitely see all that moisture coming out of the zucchini now. You can just squeeze it with your hands like this to get the rest of the moisture out, or you can use a tea towel to really wring it dry.
And because you're taking out so much of that moisture, are you going to need to use a couple of zucchini instead of just one?
Yeah, if you, it's a little hard to say how much shredded dried zucchini a zucchini will yield, but you want to end up with about 2 cups once you've squeezed all the moisture out. So next I'm going to add 1 egg, our grated Parmesan cheese, some fresh chopped scallions, and a little bit of pepper. We're not going to really need to add any salt to the recipe because we've still got the salt in there from when we drew the moisture out of the zucchini.
Mary, I noticed you didn't add any flour, and I think fritters, don't they normally have a flour ingredient?
Yeah, most fritters that you're going to see out there are going to have flour. In this one, the egg and the cheese are going to act as a binder, so it's good for someone who's looking for a gluten-free option or just is choosing not to eat flour.
So what's next?
So next thing we're going to do is make little patties out of these and fry them in our oil.
Mary, what kind of oil are you using?
Just today I'm using avocado oil. It's a good healthy oil with a nice high smoke point. So you're going to cook these fritters for about 3 minutes per side. You're going to let them get nice and golden brown, and then as soon as they're ready on one side, flip them and cook them for another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. So simple, so delicious.
And this is just a simple marinara sauce that we're serving it with?
Yeah, it doesn't even have to be homemade. You can find this easy recipe over at our website at edibleak.com.
Mary, I couldn't help but notice your pretty snazzy apron this week.
That's right, Jessica. The Alaska State Fair is open. This is a great way to fuel up for a great day at the fair and keep your eye out for those giant zucchini.